남북전쟁이 한창이던 1863년
We're here.
죽기 직전 가까스로 살아난 대위 프레데릭 에이킨. (2년) 후 1865년 4월 14일 밤, 승리의 여신이 북군을 향해 미소 지으며 길었던 전쟁도 점차 끝나가는 듯하죠.
Lee surrendered to Grant, so have a drink, Freddie.
A dozen rebel armies still in the field. I'd say peace is far from at hand.
Frederick Aiken.
Oh.
I've been to creation and back looking for you.
Senator, Baker, Hamilton.
Gentlemen, you've done this nation proud.
So,
오랫동안 곁을 지켜준 애인에게도 마음을 전하고, 그런데 그때 근처 포드 극장과 어느 저택에 어둠의 그림자가 드리워집니다.
Look straight, pull strong.
sir? Yes, I have a package for Secretary Seward.
And you needn't to be afraid of us.
But I am filled over with affection.
영부인과 연극 공연을 보고 있던 대통령 링컨. 국무장관 침실에 괴한이 들이닥치고
Well, I guess I know enough to tell you.
그 순간
Six Uplands runners. The South is avenged. Come on, come here.
Baker? What's happened?
Lincoln's been shot.
What?
He's been shot.
You stay here.
현장에 도착한 전쟁부 장관.
Where is he? He's down there, sir.
There, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Secretary. Damn the rebels. Damn them all to hell. Find him. I want the city closed. If any of these assassins get south of the Potomac or up into Canada, they will never be found.
Right away, sir.
유례 없던 사건으로 나라는 발칵 뒤집히고, 끈질긴 추격 끝에 이번 암살의 공모한 자들이 하나둘씩 체포되기 시작하죠. 직접 링컨을 죽인 인물이자 유명 배우였던 부스는 남부의 한 헛간에서 사망하고, 희생자는 링컨뿐. 그의 유해를 실은 기차가 미대륙을 횡단하면서 많은 국민들이 그를 배웅합니다. 그리고 얼마 뒤
What are we to do?
Defend one of the eight.
Defend one of the assassins?
기소된 8명 중 한 명인 메리 서랏은 여관을 운영 중인 평범한 중년 여성이었는데,
That's it.
Sir, her son John was Booth's right hand. They would if they could find him. She built the nest that hatched this plot. President Johnson said it himself.
But what they're planning, which is a military trial of civilians, is an atrocity.
No, what she did is an atrocity.
There's no presumption of innocence, no burden of proof, no jury of your peers, and no appeal.
How can you represent her?
She's entitled to a defense, Freddie.
정작 음모자들 중 한 명이었던 메리의 아들 존을 붙잡지 못한 상황. 그렇게 시작된 군사재판.
In aid of the existing armed rebellion against the United States, you are charged with having received, entertained, harbored, and Samuel Arnold in traitorous and murderous conspiracy to kill then President Abraham Lincoln. How do you plead?
Just a moment, Your Honor. I wish to request an adjournment.
An adjournment? We just got here.
My client has been in custody for a month and wasn't allowed to contact counsel until yesterday. My learned colleague, you've had over 4 weeks to prepare your case, no doubt assisted by the entire War Department. I believe the defendant is entitled to equal consideration.
You will mind the horror which summons us.
We all mourn the loss of our leader. But in our grief, let us not betray our better judgment and partake in an inquisition.
Inquisition? How dare you? It sounds to me like we have the enemy among us.
They drafted a constitution with laws against such powers. They did so precisely for times like this.
그는 이 건을 에이켄에게 맡기려고 하는데
Sorry, sir. I can't do it.
No, you do fine,
I won't
son.
betray my friends who died defending it.
Simply as an attorney and do your job.
나라를 지키기 위해 목숨을 걸고 싸웠는데 나라를 혼란에 빠뜨린 자를 변호해야 한다는 게 그저 기가 막힐 뿐인 에이켄.
Thank you, Sullivan. That'll be all. Senators instructed me to handle your case. If found guilty, you could hang.
So you've handled cases like this before?
There's never been a case like this before. You own a boarding house on 541H Street, is that correct? The assassins were frequent visitors to your home.
Yes. My husband died a drunk, Mr. Aiken, and left me loads of debt. I had to support my family, so I rented rooms to boarders. Those men were customers, nothing more.
What about yours, man?
I am a Southerner, I'm a Catholic, and a devoted mother above all else.
Perhaps your son could speak for you. Any idea where he's hiding?
No, I don't.
Well, obviously the government believes your version is not the truth.
Well, then what difference does it make? Those generals have made up their minds. Mr. Aiken, I haven't a word from my daughter since I've been here. Would you look in on it for me? Thank you.
메리가 운영했던 여관을 찾아간 에이켄.
Anna Surratt? Mm-hmm. My name is Frederick Aiken. I'm representing your mother. Your mother asked that I look in on you.
Since I'm a prisoner in my own house.
에이켄은 메리의 아들 존의 방을 살펴보기로 하는데
Yes. Did your brother share a room with an LJW?
He was like a son to my mother. He'll swear she's innocent.
Miss, do you have any documents indicating who stayed here? Your brother's start. Look, if you know... Do you see who threw that?
No, sir.
Oh, you hurt?
I'm fine. Mr. Aiken, if you have no further need of me.
그리고 다음 재판일
Fred!
I suppose I should wish you luck.
How is Anna, Mr. Aiken?
She's fine.
그런데 정부 측 첫 번째 증인이 이들과 가족 같았다던 그 기차표의 주인
Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
And until recently, you resided at the boarding house owned by Mary Surratt. Is that correct?
That is correct, sir.
Were any of these men ever present in your home?
These three over there. On several occasions.
And were there ever meetings held at the boarding house involving
Hours and always in secret, behind closed doors.
And did you ever see Mary Surratt object to these meetings?
No, sir.
Mr. Wakeman.
Secret meetings were not, in fact, kept secret from you. But I had no knowledge of what they were about. I thought them suspicious. Well, then you see, you did know what they were about. No, sir, I did not. No, I do have something else. You ever been in Richmond? I don't recall. It has your initials on it. Yes. That's right. I considered continuing my divinity studies there after the war. Mr. Wackman, at which institute in Richmond you were thinking of enrolling? Well, there is no academy of the kind in Richmond. You visited Richmond for another purpose entirely.
Objection sustained.
You worked for the general in charge of rebel prisoners, did you not? Yes. So? divine interest to certain rebels within the capital of the Confederacy?
Objection, General. The witness is not on trial.
Objection sustained. The witness is not on trial.
I think it reasonable to assume that he knows more about this plot to assassinate our president than he supposedly reported.
Unless you have something more relevant to ask, the witness will step down.
No.
아무래도 쉽지 않을 것 같은 이번 재판.
What is it you wish to know?
Why Booth and his associates were constants in your home.
I ran a boarding house, Mr. Aiken.
I checked your registry, ma'am. There's no record Booth ever stayed at your home. And so, why was Booth in your home?
I suppose my son invited him. They were friends.
Famous actor like Booth? Engaging?
And very capable of forming acquaintances in society.
I've read all about your family's acquaintances, ma'am. You made quite a sum as a courier, carrying rebel secrets across Union lines.
Well, then you know what I do not.
You were despondent over losing the war, and you would have done anything you could to save the Confederacy, including using your own son, John,
Honestly.
figuring he'd befriend your son because of what he knew, what expert couriers do know.
And what might that be?
The best escape routes out of town. Your son was supposed to lead the others to freedom that night, wasn't he?
I don't know.
I'm done. Done defending your lies.
Yes, my son hated the North. We all did. But my son did not conspire to kill your president. He conspired to kidnap him.
링컨을 납치하려 했다니 분명 메리는 무언가 알고 있는 듯한데
Where the hell's Booth? He'll be here.
He's not coming!
Lincoln's changed his plans. What? He's still in town.
Anna, back upstairs.
What matters is he wasn't in there. You should have known.
Take him to Lloyd's. You'd shoot your own foot off.
Push me. Enough!
Fools like you are the reason we can lose this fight.
Johnny Surratt, I'd like a word with you, please.
They plan on ransoming Lincoln in exchange for all the Confederate soldiers in your prisons.
Why didn't you report them to the authorities?
Because one of them was my son.
So,
Have to leave town straight away.
All of our men are buried underground right now. The war is over.
Oh, you're
There is
wrong about
nothing
that,
left
Mother.
for you
The
to
war
do.
is far from over, and there's still plenty. Unhand me, Mother.
John!
so then you see you admit that your son conspired to kill President Lincoln.
I don't know.
May God help you.
On the night of April 17th, what were your duties, Major Smith?
I was charged with finding John Surratt, and we were searching the house.
그러던 중 애나의 방에서 발견된 부스의 사진.
Major Smith, please read aloud what's inscribed here.
Of course, thus always for tyrants.
Are those words familiar to you?
Indeed. Booth yelled them after he cut down our president.
Sic Semper Tyrannis is the state motto of Virginia. It hardly constitutes proof of a shrine to Booth.
Proceed, Mr. Holt.
As I was fixing to take the Surratts to headquarters for questioning, there was a knock at the door.
I must be mistaken.
Wait a minute. This is her place. Bring him in.
She sent for me, asked me to dig a gutter for her.
At this time of night?
In the morning, I just wanted to know what time.
Do you know this man?
No, sir.
Is this the man she denies knowing?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Major. Nothing further.
Since accepting this case, I have come to learn that my client's eyesight is defective. I have here a sworn affidavit from her doctor stating just that. Major Smith, it was dark. It was nighttime. Is it possible she failed to see him properly?
Yes, I suppose it's possible.
The prosecution seems unable to present any proof of guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
그날 밤 에이켄의 상관을 찾아간 전쟁부 장관.
Your young associate is putting up a spirited defense. You've done as much for this nation as any man I know.
Feelings mutual.
Our president assassinated 600,000 dead. The world has changed, Reverdy.
Abandoning the Constitution is not the answer.
If he pushes too hard, he will make enemies who will not soon forget.
그런데 음식을 먹지 않아 날이 갈수록 병들어가고 있던 메리.
My client is unwell.
So I hear. Touch of the woman's curse.
She's been in solitary confinement for over a month. She hasn't eaten soft bread and salted meat. Unless she has a proper meal and some fresh air, I can't guarantee she'll be fit for trial. But Mary Surratt is in serious decline. If this treatment of her continues, she will not be sound of mind.
에이킨도 조금씩 깨닫게 됩니다. 메리에겐 아들 존이 음모에 가담했다는 것 외엔 뚜렷한 유죄 증거가 없다는 걸.
Feel that, son? Do I have you to thank for this?
I can just get you to start eating. I believe you know more than you're willing to tell me.
Have you ever cared for something greater than yourself?
I've spent these last 4 years fighting for something greater than myself.
Then we are the same.
You.
By suggesting I trade my son for myself? I wish I could give you what you need. I truly do. But if you...
그녀는 아들을 살리기 위해 침묵을 선택하고 있었죠.
Is it true Mrs. Surratt is a Catholic? Wears black from head to toe?
I heard she spits in the faces of every Union soldier she encounters.
Apparently she wears a necklace made from the bone of a Union soldier.
Seriously, Fred, do you honestly doubt she's guilty?
Either outcome, you cannot prevail.
Sarah.
What is it about Mary Surratt you find so compelling? These are criminal, despicable people, Fred. They're...
Mr. Lloyd, you are a tenant of Mary Surratt, are you not?
Yes, sir. I run a tavern some 10 miles from the city on property she owns.
She brought you a package, did she not?
Yes, sir, that's correct, sir. A small package wrapped in newspaper. Said it came from John Wilkes Booth.
What was inside the package?
Field glasses, sir.
Field glasses? Field glasses like these?
Exactly.
And were these things called for as per the defendant's instructions?
Yes, sir. Midnight, sir. Night of the assassination. By 2 men on horses. One I'd seen before. The other was a stranger to me. Brought the items thinking these were the parties Miss Surratt meant.
Mr. Lloyd, when did you learn of President Lincoln's assassination?
The next morning, Captain Cottingham told me. He was searching for the assassins.
Did he ask you anything in reference to the assassins?
He asked if any parties had passed through. Naturally, I told him about the 2 I knew.
According to this witness report, you said nothing for 2 days.
I feared the assassins might come for me.
Perhaps, though, you were afraid that the authorities might consider you an accessory.
It was through the Surratts that I got myself in such a difficulty. I didn't want to.
So you're saying that he asked you, forced you to do so against your will? If John Surratt was capable of putting Mr. Lloyd, Louis Weichman, and Lord knows how many others at risk, who's to say he didn't do the same to his mother?
Objection.
This!
The only thing
General,
that Mary Surratt
objection.
might be guilty of is having given birth to her son, John.
How dare you?
Objection sustained. That will be all, Mr. Aiken.
It was the defendant, Mary Surratt, who just hours before the assassination brought you field glasses and instructed you to prepare rifles and 2 bottles of whiskey.
That will be all, Mr. Lloyd. You may step down.
They promised you to say that, Mr. Lloyd? Bet a case of whiskey's all it took.
Ground, boy.
You will sit down, sir. Sit down, sir.
그리고 얼마 뒤
Mr. Aiken, may I have a word with you?
Of course. Would you excuse me? Sarah?
Coming.
I'm sorry about the party.
You're just like that woman, ready to go to the gallows for the most pointless cause.
I can't ignore what's going on in that courtroom.
But you can ignore me, us.
I didn't say that. Please, I have to do this. Sarah, please, we have to talk about this. Wait, let me see you home at least. Please wait.
이때 에이킨의 시야에 들어온 전쟁부 장관.
Mr. Aiken, perhaps this isn't the best time.
What is happening to Mary Surratt is an abomination.
Stand down, Captain.
It's all right.
Always indebted to you for your courage in the field, but you must learn to
Why did I fight for the Union if my rights aren't assured? You tell me.
And someone must be held accountable.
It's John Surratt you want. You don't even want Mary.
Life is waiting for them.
하루빨리 사건을 마무리하며 국가를 안정시키려는 대의와 진실과 정의를 찾으려는 신념의 충돌. 결말이 정해진 터널을 걷는 듯한 이 기분. 점차 지쳐가기만 합니다. 여기서 무너질 수 없는 에이켄.
Mr. Aiken?
May I come in? I need you to testify. I need you to tell them that your brother is not.
I won't do it.
You know what will happen to her if you don't? Your mother does.
Mr. Aiken, are there any other witnesses you wish to call?
I'd like to call Miss Anna Surratt. General Hunter, what is...
Where's my mother?
Anna,
Won't they let me see her?
I don't know. Miss Surratt, can you tell us when your brother first became acquainted with John Wilkes Booth?
I believe my brother met him January last.
Your brother proudly called himself a friend of Booth's, did he not?
What are you, Mother?
Miss Surratt, please.
Asked what my brother's relationship was to Booth.
Does this picture of Booth belong to you?
I found it in a gallery one day, and I bought it.
Your brother must have been pleased that you held his friend in such high regard.
No. He told me to tear it up and throw it away.
Why?
I suppose he was trying to protect us.
Why would he need to protect his family?
He and Booth were planning something.
When did you last see your brother?
He left at the beginning of April.
And did you or your mother try to stop him?
Yes.
Did your mother conspire with John Wilkes Booth?
Absolutely not.
There are no more questions.
Is innocent.
Miss Surratt, you're dismissed. The government no longer deems it necessary to hold you. You are free to...
I'm sorry. Please. Please let me see her.
어느덧 군사재판도 끝이 보이기 시작하고 이제 최종 변론일.
For the lawyer, as well as the soldier, there is an equally imperative command to protect the weak from oppression, to rally to the defense of those being wronged. The government's entire case against Mary Surratt rests on 3 acts. 1, her acquaintance with Booth. 2, her alleged instructions to Lloyd. And 3, her non-recognition of pain. Any one of you or I might have done the same, but the government insists she did them with evil intent. There can be no doubt as to the principal and real reason that Mary Surratt is here today. It's because of her son, John Surratt. And he hid rifles and ammunition in Lloyd's Tavern. She did not. Members of the Commission, do not permit this injustice to Mary Surratt by sacrificing our sacred rights out of revenge. Too many of us have laid down our lives to preserve them.
Sit with me. I didn't want John turning out like his father, so I kept him near. And when the war broke out, he wanted to enlist, but I wouldn't let him. And this is the way he did it.
Regarding Mary Surratt, all those in favor, gentlemen?
Damn it! No! I want these people buried and forgotten.
The majority prefer a more merciful sentence. Life in prison on account of her age, gender.
I give Mr. Aiken credit. He knew just how to use the daughter. You made my sentiments known to the Commission.
그리고 다음 날.
After mature consideration of the evidence, guilty of conspiring to kill and murder President Abraham Lincoln. Guilty. The Commission does therefore sentence you to be hanged by the neck until you be dead.
메리에게 너무 가혹한 판결로 바뀌어 버렸죠.
It's over. If John Surratt won't give himself up for her, then why should you?
그러나 끝까지 포기하지 않는 에이켄.
Hamilton, how well do you know Judge Olin?
Judge Olin's out of town. He would have been my first choice.
What about Wiley?
Maybe one.
He's always been known as a free thinker.
Yes, he's been around for ages, but he was the closest to Lincoln.
I need to apply for a writ of habeas corpus. Wait.
Interrupting an old man's sleep?
Sir, it's for Mary Surratt.
In a civil court by a jury of her peers. Is that what you want, Mr. Aiken?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
You realize that I was personally appointed by President Lincoln?
Yes. Now, I know that the people are still angry.
Yes, they are, and so am I.
But I hope, I trust that President Lincoln appointed you because you hold the Constitution sacred.
You believe she's innocent?
I don't know. But if we don't get a proper trial, we never will.
결국 에이킨은 배심원을 둔 재심 허가를 받아냅니다.
I too hold sacred our rights, Counselor, but they count not at all. If our nation ceases to exist.
Please see to it that Mary Surratt is delivered to Judge Wiley's courtroom no later than noon. Sir?
그렇게 이날 범인들 중 3명의 교수용 집행이 시작되고
Bless you, son. Bless you.
가까스로 생명을 구할 수 있게 된 메리. 그런데 준비된 밧줄이 3개가 아닌 4개.
It's time, man. What are you doing? No. No, she is to be transferred to Judge Wiley's court.
The president just suspended your writ. I'm sorry. She's to hang with the others.
No. No, 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 Mama, no, no, Mama, no, no! Oh, Mama, no! I love you! No! Oh, no!
In times of war, the law falls silent.
It shouldn't.
Word is the last Confederate general surrendered to Union troops. Peace.
자신의 운명을 받아들이고 교수대로 향하는 메리.
In accordance with the order of the President of the United States, Andrew Johnson.
May Almighty God bless you.
(16개월) 후 에이킨은 법조계를 아예 떠나버렸고 메리의 아들 존이 붙잡혔습니다.
I don't know what help I can be to you. I just wanted to thank you for the kindness that you showed my mother. They were your mother's. I hope they can be of some comfort to you. They belong to you. You were more of a son to her than I ever was.
시간이 흐른 지금 에이킨은 생각합니다. 국가 역시 음모자들이었던 건 아닐까. 비디오 키드입니다.